Too many Mississauga businesses underestimate the risks facing their industries, until a manufacturing plant's server locks up in peak season and shipments grind to a halt. The reality is, manufacturing faces more cyber attacks than any other sector, accounting for 26% of incidents. As Erez Zevulunov, CEO of M.I.T Consulting puts it, understanding Mississauga's industry pulse puts you ahead in managing threats and spotting opportunities. Today, security incidents outpace equipment concerns in manufacturing. It's not just about upgrading machinery anymore. It's about making sure your entire operation doesn't stop. With manufacturing leading in ransomware and database leak attacks in 2024, cybersecurity can't be treated as an IT side job. It's now frontline defense, as critical as machine maintenance. Financial services are feeling the heat, too. Local banks and credit unions are racing to keep up with global players, forced to rethink how quickly they automate and move to the cloud. In live entertainment, smooth ticket sales and logistics mean jobs on the line. Automotive suppliers are shifting from just-in-time to just-in-case inventory to keep up with North American demand. And tech firms are scaling up by building flexible teams and looking to global partnerships. The stakes are high, but so is the payoff. Security isn't optional. Every tech upgrade needs a risk plan, and resilience is non-negotiable. Firms embracing managed IT are tapping into a share of a massive, growing market. Outsourcing and digital transformation are how competitors fill talent gaps and move faster. If you want fewer surprises and smoother operations, take practical steps. Audit your tech stack, leverage both local and global talent, assess vendor security, train all staff on cybersecurity, and invest in automation with clear ROI. For a deeper dive into how Mississauga's top industries are protecting and accelerating growth, read the full article and add this to your Spotify playlist.